Oh man. Safety first. That way. Oh yeah.
Well, that'll do it. Well, I hope that was like the worst unboxing video you've ever seen. I am going to be documenting my journey with the AKAI MPK Mini 4 and Logic Pro. I got a few other musical tools coming in, and I'm gonna be documenting all that on this channel. I know this channel doesn't make sense. It's just like a lot of crap, right? It's like reviews. There was like one video where I was talking about Affinity software being free on the iPad. I just don't know what to do with this channel. This is just my other channel, right? That's why it's Kurt Extra. If you want to see my other channel, it's @DamnItKurt, and that's more of a regular old vlog, but I'm keeping this separately over here because I just think it's different. Plus, I gotta get away from the other crowd over on the other channel. Like, they can't know about this. So don't go telling them about it, all right? Don't go over to Damn It Kurt and then tell them to come over here, because I'm trying to keep some things secret, right? The moms watch that one. The moms can't come over to this channel and see that video I did about the Pilates ball, right? They can't see that. That's why it's on this channel and not that channel. But anyway, stick around to follow my musical journey on this. It's probably going to become a bigger part of this channel. I do also do the reviews. I'll probably do some more unboxings. And I swear there will be less grunting and less yummy sounds in the future unless I have another cool thing to unbox. I'm totally always going to unbox things with green gloves, grunts, and yummy noises. Thanks for watching. Subscribe!